Hello, I am Mohammad Junaidnaveed and today I am going to discuss National Yang Ming Chiao Tung University Scholarship. Basically, this is Taiwanese scholarship, and in this video we will learn how to apply and what documents are required for this scholarship. So let's begin. Hello, I am Mohammad Junaidnaveed and today I am going to explain some Taiwanese scholarship, which is National Yang Ming Chiao Tung University Scholarship. First of all, you need to see the important dates for application, which is it is opened on 10 August 2021 and it will be ending on September 30th 2021. So you have a whole month ahead and you can apply in this month. So what are the requirements and application procedure? I will explain briefly here. So first of all, you need to confirm whether you are eligible for international students for Taiwan ministry, and you can use this link and see your eligibility criteria. What are the application procedure? First of all, you need to confirm whether you are satisfying the criteria to be considered an international student. Secondly, in which department you are willing to apply is also opening the enrollment for the special course. And also read the application procedure carefully so that you submit complete application. And if you submit any application material beyond the deadline, they will not accept it. You need to submit your application via online system and you need to complete all the documents in your deadline, and you also need to prepare 2 recommendation letters. And when you submit your application, they will send you a confirmation email in which they are saying that your application is submitted. There are some notes to applicants. You can apply only for 2 departments, and if you are selected for both of the departments, you need to select only one department. And you need to submit required documents via online system, and you need to complete your document within the deadline. You will take the whole responsibility of your documents, and you need to upload all the documents in PDF form, and your pictures should be in JPG form. So you need to focus on these formats. You need to submit your documents in PDF form and your picture in JPG form. And if the university think that your documents are not real, they can ask the real documents. The other requirements, like you need to prepare a study plan in English or in Chinese depending upon your language, your official degree certificates, and your transcript, degree and transcript. For example, you are newly graduate and you don't have your degree, you can apply for the graduate certificate issued by the official educational institute. If your documents are not in English or in Chinese, you need to translate your documents and submit in one of the language, Chinese or in English. Otherwise, they are not accepted. You need to prepare 2 recommendation letters, and recommendation letters should be from your instructor, your professor or employers. You can see the paper format here. And the other thing is your proof of nationality, your passport, and those who don't have passport, they need to apply with your CNIC and national identity card, and the card should be in English, and alien resident certificate if applicable in your case. For example, you are not applying for this scholarship, you need to provide with the proof of bank statement, which is worth about $6,000 or more. within 3 months before the admission. The next thing is proof of English proficiency, which is not very high. Requirement is not very high. You can see 5.5 points for academic, IELTS, and the other tests. And you may need to provide English Chinese proficiency certificate if you want to participate in some Chinese thought courses. And if you belong to some English speaking countries, you do not need to provide English proficiency certificate. And if your previous degree is from the English speaking country, you are also exempted from the English proficiency certificate. This is the certificate of loss of nationality of Republic of China, if applicable in your case, and the other required documents. And these are the documents are mentioned on your particular department. Maybe some department requires some additional documents, so you need to provide some additional document depending upon department to which you are applying. Selection method, they may conduct the written, oral, or interview depending upon their selection committee. So they will first evaluate your application data, then they will call you for the oral test, written test, or for the interview. So enrollment quota is such that international student cannot be more than 10% of total enrollment quota of the university approved by the Ministry of Education of the Taiwan. So it is very tough to get admission there, so you need to prepare good documents and you need to work hard. Years of study for undergraduate are 4 to 6 years, for masters 1 to 4 years, and for doctoral is 2 to 7 years depending upon your specialization. They will notify you with the result in the mid-June or mid-December depending upon your semester. They will not ensure you that, for example, if you get admission through this scholarship, it is not ensuring that you will also get the visa. It will totally depend upon the embassy. So you need to prepare your documents well so that there will be no objection from the embassy. These are some details for the scholarship they are offering. For example, NYCU International Scholarship worth for $833 per month, US dollars, and Taiwan scholarship is $1,000 per month. And if you are the PhD scholarship holder, then they will provide you this much amount per month. I hope you understand the total criteria and required documents, and you also liked our video. And do not forget to log in and fill the online application before applying. So Allah Hafiz, until the next video.